Okay, right, so this is a little bit of a trick question. Okay. They're designed here, this question is designed to trip you up a little bit. So it says you've now been asked to enter marks from an additional 19 students into the spreadsheet and produce a bar chart showing the students' names. Describe how you would create the bar chart. Okay, so I've got an extra 2 students. So it says an additional 19. So this would go down, all the way down here for 19 students. Just move this over. Okay, down to C21. Why did this not recognise a pattern? Sorry, A21. Oh, that's ridiculous. Okay. Right, so we're going to do the test marks here. I'm just going to drag them down. And it goes into the false numbers. Oh, this is not going to work, is it? I'll see, because it's subtracting. So if I do 50 there, if I do 80 there, let's see if it do this better, because I don't want minus numbers. I would like whole numbers, not decimals. Right, okay, here we go. Right, I haven't entered any formulas. No, I'm not going to. Okay, so, right, needs improvement. Satisfactory. Okay, it's still going to take a long time otherwise. And I'm doing this very late at night. Okay, right, here we go. So, right, we know this is inaccurate. Right, so we're going to make a bar chart to show the students' test marks. So, what would we select? Okay, for a start, this don't matter. We don't need it. So, it's probably better that I didn't do the formula anyway. So, we're not going to, I was going to delete the column, but I'm not going to. Right, so the data we would need to select for the chart is simply this data. Okay, because we want to show the students' marks. Now, imagine these names here, not A, B, and C. So, like they're Carlos, Javier, Christina, Sylvia. Okay, so different mixture of names and their test marks to see who's making the most progress. So, if we're going to make a chart, we need to select what we need first. And as I said before, you don't go selecting blank cells. So, you would have to work out when answering this question how far down this would actually go. So, probably down to cell B21 for additional 19 students. Okay, because it started off on B23. So, add 19. So, we're going to select this data here. Then, as you know, okay, you go to Insert. And then you select the column chart because they want a bar chart. Okay, then you make the chart. Then from there, you add the relevant axes, titles, and so on. It's already added our title test mark. Okay, so that's how you make the chart. So make sure, please, that when you're doing this, because you might think this is a very, very easy question, but in actual fact, if you don't read it properly, you're going to lose marks.